Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for showing so much of love on my first video, and keep subscribing to my channel. Do like, comment and share. So today's video is based on top 25 lipsticks which I like the most, and I will be sharing the brand, the color shades and many more things. So let's get started to the video. So the first favorite is the Maybelline Color Sensational High Coverage Intense Matte Lip Crayon. So this lip crayons are very good. This will give you a high coverage, and this comes with 10 shades, and this 10 shades will suit every Indian skin type. And I'm having two shades from this. One is the M215 and another one is the M405. I will put the link of this products in the description box. And these products, I can give you the guarantee that they are not going to fade in any kind of humidity or heat, and it contains SPF 17 in it. Yeah, it is very less though, the SPF is very low, but yeah, for lips it is good and fine. You're not going to, you can apply different SPF for your lips and all. So these products you can get it from Nykaa, Purple, Myntra and Amazon, Flipkart, everywhere you can get it at any place. So you are going to love this product, and this will cost you around 399 only, and you can get on offers even. Offer में ये मिल जाता है 250 या ऐसे ही कुछ मिल जाता है, so you can get it. So I love this product a lot. Again, these two lipsticks are from Maybelline. So these two lipsticks are the powder matte lipsticks. So ये तो मेरे को अच्छा लगता ही है, but this claims that they are totally smudge proof, but no, ये smudge proof होता है but उतना भी नहीं होता है. Like if you are going to wear this lipstick after 1 hour, if you are in between that 1 hour, if you are having your coffee or something, you are drinking something, you are eating something, then obviously it really fades out. But ये claim करता है कि smudge proof है, but no. And this lipstick keeps your lips very much hydrated, I must say this. And if you are using this lipsticks, then you are not going to feel like your lips are getting dry or something like that. And those people who don't love using liquid matte lipsticks, then yeah, you guys must go for this. So the next brand is the Beauty Creations, and I got this lipsticks from Myntra, I guess. This retails for 499 rupees, and I got this one on offer. Myntra का offer चल रहा था at that time, I don't remember exactly, but I got this for 250 or 270 like that only, on a 50% or 40% off. And I'm having two shades. One is the nude shade and another is the blue color. इसको मैं ज़्यादातर यूज़ कर लेती हूँ आई शेडो और लिप्स के लिए भी यूज़ करती हूँ, but I basically use this one for my eyeshadow, as I love using different colors for my eyeshadow and all. And the next lipstick is from Lakme 925, the Weightless Mousse Matte Lipstick. So this lipstick is a multi-purpose lipstick, whereas you can use it on your lips, you can use it on your cheeks, but use it as I do. Like I use this one on my nose, on my eyes, like I use it as an eyeshadow, as a blusher, like I use it everywhere on my face. So you can do that even, because this is a lipstick which is liquid matte lipstick, but it will never make your lips feel dry. Like it is very creamy in nature, and it is totally smudge proof, and it will never fades out. It never fades out. Like it stays for around 7 to 8 hours. And you can get this lipstick from Nykaa, Myntra, Purple. Yeah, you can get, or you can get it from Lakme site. So it is very good. Go for it, guys. It is highly recommended. And my next lipstick is from Studio Waste Matte Lip Crayon. So this is the lipstick which is very much smudge proof, and this is in the shade nude, and the shade number is TD01. and you are going to, like, I got it from West Side store. You can get this from West Side as lockdown chal raha hai, stores are closed, so you can get this from their site. I'll put the link of their site in the description box. एंड हाँ, मैं जहाँ पे भी लिपस्टिक्स देखती हूँ उठा लेती हूँ, ये हर लड़कियों का होता है, लाइक जितना भी होता है कम होता है, सो दैट्स मी, मैं उठा लेती हूँ. सो वन डे आई बेसिकली गो visit website for my clothes and footwears, and one day they were having a big sale on their cosmetic products, and I got this lipstick and many more items from there, and it was very affordable. It was in a very affordable price, guys, and I don't remember what price I got this, but it was very much affordable, and it is totally smudge proof. You are going to love this crayon. If you want, then you can have a try. Do visit their site. And the next brand is my all-time favorite, Sugar Cosmetics. One is the Smudge Me Not lipstick, another is the Click Me Up Velvet lipstick, and another is the Never Say Dry Creamy lipstick. So these three are very much different from each other. And my most favorite from these three is the Smudge Me Not, because I love using smudge proof lipstick, because ज़्यादातर खाती रहती हूँ, बाहर जाती हूँ तो स्मच प्रूफ यूज़ करती हूँ, तो वो रहता है. एंड अगेन दिस वन इज अगेन अ गुड वन, बट नॉट लाइक दिस, बट दिस इज नॉट एट ऑल स्मच प्रूफ. ये लगाती हूँ तो एक बार कुछ खा लेती हूँ तो ये निकल जाता है. इट इज़ अ क्रीमी टाइप ऑफ लिपस्टिक. यू नीड टू पुट इट अगेन एंड अगेन एंड अगेन, विच आई डोंट लाइक. एंड हाँ, ये बहुत अच्छा है इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ लिपस्टिक इन विंटर सीजन, एज विंटर्स में लिप्स बहुत ड्राई हो जाता है, देन इट इज़ वेरी गुड. Other than that, I love this one, and you're going to get a very good shades in this Sugar Cosmetic lipstick. And the next product is from Faces Canada, the Intense Matte Lipstick Plus Primer. If you guys want a lipstick with primer, then go for this one. This is the best option, and it gives a very good finish. Like, it is, the texture of the lipstick is very good, and it is totally smudge proof. And I'm having this lipstick in a shade of Wild Orchid 21, and guys, this is not a nude shade color, it is totally a dark shade color. So it is quite like a dark purple kind of color. And if you want a smooth finish lip look, then go for this one, as it contains primer in it. I love this product, as you don't need to apply any kind of primer before your lipstick, so this does all it what says. So the next lipstick is again from Maybelline New York, and it is the Color Jolt Matte lipstick. I love this product because it comes with a sponge like brush, and the texture of this lipstick is very good. And you are going to get this lipstick from Nykaa, Myntra, you can get it anywhere. And this is a matte liquid lipstick, which will not actually liquid lipstick, it is a matte creamy kind of lipstick, but you are going to get this, like, it is very much smudge proof, and you are not going to feel like you are wearing something on your lips. It is totally wetless. And I also got this one in a nude shade only, and the shade is 13, How Bare You. And you can get it from Nykaa or Myntra or Amazon, Flipkart. You can get it purple. It is available everywhere. I love this one for the brush, like for the sponge brush. And the next lipstick is from Bobbi Brown, which is the crust liquid lipstick. And this is the liquid lipstick which is having a different kind of brush. You can see it, which is very good while you apply it on your lips. But the thing is, this lipstick is not going to stay on your lips more than 2 hours. Like, actually मेरे पे तो नहीं रहता है, hardly stays for 1 hour. And yes, it is totally smudge proof though, but ये रहता नहीं है मेरे पे. And if you are going to compare these Bobbi Brown lipsticks with Sugar Cosmetic lipsticks, then obviously you are going to love Sugar lipsticks much more than this Bobbi Brown, as Bobbi Brown is having a, like, it is known as to be a very luxurious product, but as comparison to Sugar, no, Sugar lipsticks are the best. And for smudge proof lipstick, don't think go for Sugar Cosmetic lipsticks. And yeah, this is also nice. I love this product, but these are not going to stay on your lips more than 2 hours. No. The next product is from Auric, which is the Moisture Lock lipstick, which helps in hydrating your lips a lot. And it is paraben free. It is enriched with vitamin E, jojoba oil, almond oil, shea butter, and the most importantly, which I love in this product, is it stays for at least 3 to 4 hours. Like, it is smudge proof. It is not that smudge proof, but yeah, it is smudge proof, and it stays for 3 to 4 hours. And I got this one from the Auric site only. And it was on sale, I guess, but it retails for 649 rupees. I don't remember it was on sale or I got for 649 or something like that, but you can get it from Auric site. And the color shade I am having is 3102 Toasted Almond, which is a reddish orange kind of color. So do have a try on this. And the next product is from Nykaa, which is the Molten Matte Liquid Lipstick. Again, it is the multi-purpose use liquid lipstick. You can use this on your lips, on your cheeks. You can use it in many ways. And I'm having in the shade Spencer 11, which is like a purple kind of color. And it is very much pigmented, guys, very much pigmented, and it stays on your lips for more than 4 hours. The next product is again from Maybelline New York, which is the Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick. And this is, I'm having in the shade 09, which is again a nude shade color. Itna nude shade color kiska hota hai? Like, I'm having many nude shade colors, so let it be. So you are going to get this from Myntra, Nykaa, Purple. You can get this anywhere, and it stays on your lips for more than 4 hours. And you can use this as a cheek tint even. I use this on my cheeks and it goes very good. And it is very creamy in nature, but it is totally smudge proof and it dries out easily. ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा dry होता है. I don't know, but इसका I'm having variety of colors from this sensational liquid matte lipstick, and I don't know, but इसका ना texture different होता है. मतलब shades लेके भी इसका texture different होता है. This one is dry and some other lipsticks are like creamy and like that only. I don't know why. Maybe shades must be having some different thing. I don't know. I'll research on it very soon. But I love this lipstick, this one 09. This set is very good. It goes for it goes best on everything, like party, official work, everything. So do have a try on this. And the next lipstick is from Stay Quirky, which is the mini one, and I'm in the shade Slutty Chocolate Kiss 24, and it is a brownie shade kind color. It is also a nude shade, and I got this one from Purple site only. This one is the mini one, and they are having a bigger version of this. Yeah, this is very good. But मेरे पे क्या होता है, like जब भी मैं इसको लगाती हूँ, it stays hardly for 1 hour. After 1 hour or once I start eating something, निकलना start हो जाता है, तो मैं पूरा निकालना पड़ता है. So जब तक तुम खाना खाते नहीं हो या फिर till 1 hour, it goes very good on your, it stays up as good as it can. But when you start eating something or after 1 hour, it just fades out from your lips. So this is the only demerit it is having. For me, I don't know, आप पे रह सकता है, but at least मेरे पे नहीं रहता. So you can have a try on this, and yeah, it is very good, as the color shades they are having is very good. And the next lipstick is again from Lakme 925, which is the primer matte lipstick. And this lipstick again contains primer in it. You don't need to apply extra primer on your lips. And I'm in the shade MR18 Maroon Mix, which is a dark kind of color. Even I'm having 5 to 6 color shades from this primer matte lipstick, and it will give you a very good texture. You are going to get a flawless finish. Once you are going to apply this on your skin, you will not feel that you are wearing any kind of lip color and something like that. And it is very much smudge proof, and it will stay on your lip for more than 4 hours, and at least more than for 3 hours. And I don't remember the price, I'll mention somewhere on the screen only. And you can get this from Nykaa, Myntra, it is available everywhere. And the next product is from Bonjour Paris, which is the lip balm. I am in the shade 07, and this is the creamy kind of lipstick which is not matte at all, which is not at all smudge proof, and it is the best option for winters as it keeps your lips very much hydrated. And if you're that kind of person, you don't like liquid lipstick, then this will be the best option for you. You can get this from the site like Bonjour Paris. I will mention the link in the description box only, and it will cost you around 400 something. And the next lipstick is from MAC Cosmetics, which is in the shade Matte Diva. And everyone knows that MAC Cosmetic is very good. And I'm also having another shade which is the Ruby Woo, and it is almost khatam ho chuka hai wo. That's why I haven't ordered yet. I'll order it very soon. And you can get this from Nykaa MAC Cosmetic site, and stores पे भी मिलता है, but due to lockdown stores are closed, so you can get this from the sites like Nykaa and MAC Cosmetics. And the main thing of this one is this lipsticks are very much smudge proof, and it stays more than 4 to 5 hours on your lips. And this one is the mini one, and you can get the bigger one also, and they are also having liquid matte lipsticks, so you can have a try on MAC Cosmetic lipsticks. They are also best. And the next lipstick is from Miniso, which is the Flawless Matte lipstick, and I'm in this shade 03 Elegance Red. And शायद ये मैंने लिया था from the Miniso store, and I never thought of Miniso lipstick will be so good. Though Miniso products are very good, at least for me, I love Miniso products, but never thought of their lipstick. But this lipstick is very nice, and I think I got this one for 250 or something like that only. You can get this from Amazon, from Miniso website, and it is very good. It is smudge proof. It will stay on your lip for more than 2 to 3 hours, and yeah, I love this one very much. And the next product is from Darling Isabella, which is the liquid matte lipstick, and it retails for rupees 185 rupees. I got this one from Purple, and it is very affordable, guys. You will love this product. I am in the shade Duchess Extravagant Plum 15. The most important thing which I love is the smell. It totally smells like a chocolate, which you will love the most in it. And it is totally smudge proof, and it stays on your lips more than 2 to 3 hours. So that's it for the today's video, and thank you so much for the love and support you are giving. And please do subscribe to my channel, do like, share and comment. And I hope that my videos are very informative for you, and I'll try my best to give more and more details information of each and every product. And thank you so much once again. I love you all. Take care.